Recently, several reports have appeared online where users claim that Microsoft forced an update on their system. According to these users, their computer were upgraded from Windows 11 version 24H2 to version 25H2 without any authorization. Normally, this should not happen. Users are usually given control over major Windows update, especially when their current version is still supported. However, there is one situation where Microsoft can push update automatically. Microsoft previously announced that devices running Windows 11 version 23H2 could be automatically upgraded because that version has reached the end of its service period. When a version reaches their end of support, Microsoft may install a newer version to keep devices secure. But the situation being reported here is different. These reports claim that devices running Windows 11 version 24H2 are also being upgraded to version 25H2 automatically. At this stage, Microsoft has not officially announced that it is forcing upgrades from 24H2 to 25H2 since 24H2 is still within its support period. Because of this, the report have raised questions among users. Some experts believe the issue may be related to something called an enablement package. Microsoft uses enablement package to activate new feature and upgrade Windows version more quickly. In many cases, two Windows versions share the same core system file. For example, a newer version may already exist in the system, and the enablement package simply unlocks those features to complete the upgrade. Because of this setup, it is possible that some user accidentally received the enablement package for Windows 11 version 25H2, which then triggered the upgrade automatically. However, this explanation is still only speculation. Right now, there are three possible reasons behind these reports. Number one, a software bug related to enablement package. Number two, user error, where the upgrade may have been triggered unintentionally. Number three, Microsoft intentionally pushing the update, although there is currently no official confirmation of this. If you are not ready to upgrade to Windows 11 version 25H2, it is a good idea to keep an eye on your Windows update setting and review updates carefully before installing them. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.